Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a drop-down menu here in Showit. Okay, for example, we have this header right here. So just click on main, then header. Okay, then we're going to want to go ahead and add in a text. Maybe just a text. Okay, this one I'm going to name it drop-down. Size maybe 50, like so. Okay, and then what we'll do is go ahead over to canvas right here, and then under header. Now let's just go ahead and click on add canvas view. Okay, first one is empty. Another one right here, we have view 1 and view 2. Okay, so basically we're going to work on view 2. Okay, maybe I'm just going to go ahead and add in a box. Okay, rectangle, like so, in line with the drop down. Okay, you can go ahead and make this one even prettier if you want to. Maybe I'm just going to choose this color right here. And then I'm going to copy the drop down like so, like maybe 30. Drop down 1, 2, 3, maybe 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. And if you want to, of course, you can go ahead and align it center. Okay. Again, if you want to, you can go ahead and make it prettier. Drop downs in general doesn't work well with mobile, okay? But for this example, I'm just going to choose for desktop. Now, once that's done, once you're happy with your drop down, you can now go ahead and select all, okay? And make sure that they are under the view 2, okay? As you can see here. And once that's done, click on the drop down right here, and then go ahead over to click actions. And the type is canvas. Okay, select canvas, this canvas, and the canvas should be view 2. All right, and when we go ahead and test this out, okay, preview, drop down, click on it. Here we have drop down 1, 2, 3. And of course, if you want these text to be clickable, well, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just go ahead and click on it, and the types right here. Maybe you wanted them to transfer to a page. Okay, maybe drop down 1 will go to Instagram, drop down 2 will go to a specific URL if you want to, or a page right here. Maybe I'm just going to use a blog. Okay, preview right here. Drop down 1 should be Instagram. Okay, there you have it, and that is it. Again, if you want to, you could always make it pretty. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.